A special edition of my show Beyond Reason Radio. It's tonight on News Radio 102.5 WFLA at 8 p.m. There's so much to talk about. I don't even know if I can get it all in the show, but I'm going to try. The biggest story of today, obviously, is Rudy Giuliani saying Obama doesn't love America. And he's getting a lot of flack for saying that, but I think he makes some points. I mean, when you think about what Obama thinks of the founding of this country, the Constitution, Declaration of Independence, he's criticized that a lot. He doesn't follow the Constitution. Obama might love maybe the land physically or maybe some people in America, but when it comes to the founding principles, there's a lot of arguments to be made that Obama does not love it. And I'm going to play that proof tonight. So we'll talk about that. Also, there's a new poll out that says a majority of Americans think Hillary Clinton represents the future. Well, does that mean the future is socialism and big government? There's a lot of difference. Her policies are the policies of the past, I think. So we're going to talk about that. And ISIS. What do we do about ISIS? Another poll says majority of Americans think we should have ground troops to fight against ISIS. I don't know. I don't want to send any ground troops in if we're not willing to make the fight. So we'll take calls and get your thoughts on what you think about that tonight. Beyond Reason Radio tonight at 8 p.m. News Radio 102.5 WFLA. I'll look for you then.